Hey crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and this is a 1 in 10 by Jen. So we're doing pre-recorded this week since I'm out of town, and this one is coming from Diane Gaines. So if you want to join in on the 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece, boy, that's a mouthful. So basically what it means, if you're new here or you want to join in, catch us on Quality Crafts on Facebook. Get the address and send your scraps in. I'll set my timer for 10 minutes, create a card, and send it back to you when I'm done. So that's the cool part. I don't keep the cards. You get a handmade card from me. I'll stamp my information on the back and send it right back out to you. So Diane sent in 2, but I'm going to do just 1 today. Go ahead and pull everything out of here so we can see what we have, and then I'll start the timer. We've got a couple of little wooden pieces. A cute little baggie full of, looks like some flowers. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. This looks dead clear on my camera today. I'm really hoping that when I upload it, it doesn't turn into mush. We've got some more little flowers here. You've got a little butterfly. That's cool. And a bunch of little different scrappy papers. Oh, look at that. There's wood on the back. Super thick, and a couple of other papers. This is going to be super cool. All right, let's give it 10 minutes and take off to figure out how I'm going to put this all together. That is beautiful. Oh, there's pink too. Sweet. I love that. This wood is really pretty too. Use that as a piece of white, because then I can put like a strip down the middle. What is this? Oh, that will back it up. I'm gonna cut just a little bit off of here. I should use a trimmer, but I'm gonna eyeball it. That way I can have that background. Oh, that's cute. Super cute. So we're not going to be able to use it all either. We'll have to cut some of it off. So let's say around maybe there. That'll work. And we've got this pink one. And we've got these extra flowers. So let's see, we've got one here. I wonder if I shouldn't put this on the inside. So we've got something cool on the inside. We can add that flower and put this guy on the outside. No, I don't know. I'm not digging that. Let's see what this looks like. I think that is really pretty. What if we took this off and put the... Oh my gosh, that would be really cute. That would be super cute, wouldn't it? And then this could go on the inside because it's so pretty. Got an extra flower here. That's really pretty. I like how that's like tucked up on there, so I'm going to go ahead and cut a little bit on this one. So this one can also That's cute. Okay, let's start putting some of this down. I kind of want to, well, I don't know. I'll have to, I'm wondering if I should do something with the wood pieces, like maybe make them a little bit more gray so they match. I think I really only get one shot with that. And I'm gonna fray this up a bit. I'm gonna do it off to the side just because it's gonna make a mess. So I'll try to be real super quick. Here we go. Put that guy somewhere in the middle. Then I think we might want to do this one too. Since we're giving it kind of a country flair. Yeah. I'm just going to put one right down the middle. That way I still have edges that I can pull up on. Whoops, boy, that really just came all of a sudden out. Just want a little bit of it, just a little bit. This one, just a little bit. Yep, and we'll put this one up here. Cute. And then these guys here. So what I want to do is figure out, do I want to color those? Maybe not gray. Well, I guess that wouldn't hurt. Let's try it. Let's just give it a chance. This one is Hickory Smoke. We're going to try this out. Here we go. I think we're going to leave it like that. And we got to glue. I'm going to glue dot those down because I don't know if regular glue is going to hack it. And then we got to get that last piece on the inside. Cute. like I'm going to have to take out just a smidge. There we go. I must have touched that gray. Let's see if this one will take that little mess off. Yep. Awesome. There was a little smudge, but it took it off of there. And then we have a little bit left, but I don't feel like that really goes. I don't want to fill that in. Ooh, that is the end. I have to scooch that over just a tad. I just wanted to add in a little bit more color, but I have a smidge off the edge. There we go. Cute, cute stuff. Alright, let's check it out. I think if I would have had more time, I would have done just a little bit more darker gray around those guys. But it's cute. I really like the flowers that you sent in. And the paper colors all go so well. And that beautiful butterfly for the inside. Super cute. So this one came from Diane Gaines. Let me sure I'm doing that right. Yep, Diane Gaines. And she has sent in another one. So that one will go back into the round to be done on another day. And since we don't have a whole lot left, I will save the little butterfly. And put those away. So this is Wednesday. There will be a pre-recorded video also for Friday so that you don't miss out. But just as a reminder, there'll be no patron sale on Friday night because I'm not sure when I'm coming back Friday. But there will be a regular public Crafty Garage sale on Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So don't miss out on that. If you can, bring a friend. If you've seen some of the really hot deals I got going on in the Facebook shop, which is the budget shop, not the store, not the website store, but the budget shop, you're going to want to come to the Crafty Garage sale because there's going to be a lot of that like layered overlap of that sale going on. So there'll be a lot of really low prices on things, as well as 3 different for Black Friday sale, 3 different specials going on. I'm just going to bring this up real quick. So our specials are, if you purchase a $50 gift certificate for somebody, a gift card, which is basically a coupon code that they use when they go to the store, you'll get a $5 gift card for yourself for free. Another one is if they're not to be combined, so offers are not valid with any other offer, and they cannot be combined with any other offer. So the second one is if you make a purchase from the store outright, it's 10% off your entire purchase. And then the last one will be any purchase over $100 will be free shipping. So I hope that you guys will take advantage of those Black Friday sales. I'm going to have those going on from like the 28th, Black Friday for the 28th, all the way through, what is it, like the 20th of December or something like that. I'll let you know. Keep the details up pretty soon. So let me go ahead and wrap this up so I can give you some content for Friday so you're not missing me, because I know some of you guys don't go out and party and do crazy things on Thanksgiving, but I will be making Christmas candy, so that will be fun, and I can't wait to see you guys next video.